What's up, y'all? Welcome back to MsVegan's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making these corn dog boats. It's basically a loaded corn dog inside of a tortilla bowl, baked to perfection and topped with melted butter, jalapeños, and honey. Let's get started. First up, to a bowl, we're going to add a half cup of melted butter, 1 cup of milk, and then 1 egg substitute. Once we have all those in our bowl, we're going to go ahead and whisk it well until it's nice and creamy. And now it's time to add in our cornbread mix. Keep in mind, depending on which cornbread mix you use, the ingredients it requires may vary, so make sure you take a look on the back. Today we're using the Sprouts brand. And once we have our cornbread mix added to the bowl, we're going to go ahead and stir it up until it's mixed really well. And then we're going to go ahead and add in 1 to 2 cups of shredded cheese of choice. Today we're using a yellow cheese. And lastly, we'll add in some diced jalapeños. Today we use 2, but you can use 1, a half, depending on how spicy you like it. Hey, throw 3 in there if you like. So once your jalapeños have been added, we'll go ahead and stir it up a few more times until the cheese and jalapeños have mixed well into the cornbread. Now it's time to make our tortilla bowls. Today we're using these Old El Paso soft tortilla bowls. I've seen them pretty much at almost every store. So once we have one placed out, we'll scoop in roughly 1/4 to 1/3 cup of our cornbread mix. And then we want to place in 1 large vegan hot dog, and then we'll top that with a little bit more of our cornbread mix. And then what we want to do now is go ahead and place this onto a prepared baking sheet. And once we have all of our corn dog bowls made, we're going to go ahead and bake this at 425 for roughly 15 minutes. If they start to brown too quickly, just cover them with some foil. You'll know they're done once your cornbread has settled and is firm. And now it's time to dolly them up. So we'll plate one, and then what we want to do is, while they're still warm, we want to place a sliver of butter on top, and then a few slices of jalapeno, and then now it's time to drizzle it with some honey. Absolutely delicious. Nothing better than savory and sweet. Once all of our corn dog boats have been drizzled up, we'll go ahead and serve up and enjoy. I'll go ahead and leave the full recipe in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more fun stuff coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya!